friends, and I'm here with
Aiden!
Yay! We finally actually did a video again together. Yay! Okay, so today we are going to do
The DIY chicken and apple salad.
The first time I heard about this, I thought it was going to be disgusting, but then I tried it once, and it was actually very good.
This is Fern's grandmother.
Yep, my
So, what we're going to be doing first is we are going to need an appliance.
Als superbeheerder, you have a pizza. Pepperoni pizza.
We are going to put these lettuce in here.
Yep.
Fern, would you do the honors of cutting it up for me? Just
Sure.
cutting it up. We're homemade chefs.
I'll cut it up. So cut it good.
And while she's doing that, I'm going to cut the apple.
Be so careful, let's actually
Yeah,
do this.
I have this over here.
Thank you. So the apple is half cut. I'm almost done.
Yeah,
Get the fingers, you
there's still
understand?
a long way to go.
I don't want anybody cut the fingers. As long as you cut the fingers, you're gonna eat the fingers.
Yeah, I know.
Have some dish that you want.
Yeah, man.
I don't like ranch in my salad.
So now we just finished cutting up everything.
I finished my apples over here.
Yep, apples. And now we just have to wash these two.
You have to make sure you really wash your fruit, so you have to make sure like it's cut up and make sure it's really clean so you're not eating any of that dirty stuff.
Yeah.
So we're gonna wash this and we're gonna give you the good view. So see there, I finished washing all the lettuce and apples. So now what we're gonna do is make the chicken.
chicken.
And you don't have to do this any specific way. You can do it in a microwave, an oven, just anywhere. So
Yeah. So,
see you when it's done. So
uh,
we are going to be putting it on how many degrees, Fern?
up to this guy over here.
So right there,
Yep.
and then
Careful.
Right there where I'm putting that. So it's all toasty, so it's not leftover coldness.
yeah.
So it's not freezing.
So see you when it's done.
Yep, bye. So right now we're just picking up, waiting for all the stuff to dim.
And guys, I want to make sure you do this all right. So you gotta mix up the salad really good so it's not soggy. See how there's no like water left down there?
Yeah.
And it's really clear. This is what you want to see. It's soaked, but not soaked. So you want to make sure the salad's really nice, watery, clean,
Right now
fresh.
we are actually cutting up the meat and for the salad. So I'm really excited. It's gonna be delicious. And it's too hot for him, so it's trying to go his hands.
So guys, we are mixing the salads now.
Yeah.
So pour the apple in first.
Put it up. And then got it.
So mix it up.
Yep. You can use a wooden spoon, a fork, anything like that. Silverware, anything. I would not recommend a knife because that's not really this.
It looks really, really good.
Yeah, it does. The first time I tried this, it was delicious.
Okay, guys, we are done. So we finished our salads and we're getting ready to eat. So see you in the next DIY.
Yeah.
Bye.